everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the implicit wait in a Selenium WebDriver. So, before that, why we are using the implicit wait in a Selenium WebDriver means. So, we have a synchronization in the Selenium WebDriver. The what is a synchronization means the process of matching the Selenium speed with the application speed is called as a synchronization. So we have types of synchronizations. We have a implicit wait and explicit wait, a custom wait, and fluent wait, and thread dot sleep. In a Selenium, whenever we are writing the script, so we are most of the times we are using the implicit wait, explicit wait statement, and then thread dot sleep. So this is the so for using the thread dot sleep method, what is the drawback is? So the drawback of a thread dot sleep statement is the so if we have a n number of phases, then we should specific n number of n as one times the thread dot sleep statements. Thread dot sleep statement will wait for the specified duration, then only it will be traversed to a next statement. So these are tedious jobs to work on the using the thread dot sleep. To avoiding that, we are going to use the implicit wait. So what is the implicit wait? I'll be like just give the introductions about the implicit wait. So by using the implicit wait, we can use the synchronizations only for two methods. Okay, here we can use for a find element and find elements. So implicitly wait method takes here for two arguments. For first one is a specific durations and the time unit. Time unit may it may examples of days, hours, microseconds, milliseconds, minutes, and seconds, and so on. Okay. For the next, this is a diagram. Uh, Okay, for just I will explain about this diagram what it will does. So here the whenever we are using the find element and the find elements method, suppose if the element of find element and find elements are found, so it will be there will be a no exception in the applications. It will be successfully works. Suppose if the find element and the find elements are not found, so here we will be in the find element method we will get a no such element exception. In the find elements method we will get a empty list. Okay, so what it does is if the time is not over, okay, if the time is not over, then it waits for the 500 millisecond, again checks whether the element is present or not. The process of finding the element will continue till the element is found and time is over. If the maximum timeout is over, the find element method will return the exception called as no such element exception. If the element is over, so sorry, if the timeout is over, the find element method will return the empty list. Okay, the implicit wait can handle the synchronizations of all the find element and the find elements method. So okay, the waiting period is called as polling period and it is predefined. So for your reference, I am just giving the notes for this. This is our you can refer this one. I have two questions for this one. So for can we use a implicit wait statement multiple times in a Selenium script? So answer is yes. And is it necessary to write the implicit wait statement in a multiple times? The answer should be no. Now before that, what I will do, I will go to the applications. Okay, this is my applications I am using in the script. So we have a username and a password. Let me go to the Eclipse. So here I had already written the statement. Okay, in the comment section I'm going to give this script for you. And for here now I am giving the system.set property I'm using for the Chrome driver, and I have given for the where the Chrome driver is existed, the location I have given. So here this is for launching the web driver. I have given also have given for the maximizing the screen. Now so here at driver.manage.timeout space load it will be going to load the page for 30 seconds, and then I am going to set the script timeout for 30 seconds. Now I have given the URL of this URL. Then after that, what I am giving is I am giving the implicit wait for that. Driver dot, this is a implicit wait statement. Driver dot manage dot timeouts implicitly wait. I am giving for that 10 seconds. After that, what it will do, it will wait for every for 20 seconds. Then it will identify the element is present or not. If the element is not present, it will throw the exception called as no such element exceptions. Let me, I will run this script. Right clicking on it, then go to the Java application. Okay. Now, yeah, now the Chrome was started successfully. Okay, the browser got launched. Now the screen got maximized and then it is going to enter the URL. The loading page, it will take 20 seconds. Okay, now it came to username and it is identifying the elements. It is going to take 20 seconds to identify the element, whether the element is present or not. Okay, let me go to the Eclipse. So it is identified and then it is throw a exception called as. So this is our exception, Selenium no such element exception to unable to locate the element. So we are given the wrong. I have given the wrong element. So that is it is went there and then it is identify the keys and then it is throw the error exception. So to we are that in that case we are going to use the time unit exceptions. Let me, I will remove the thing. Okay, I'll go to the application. Okay, let me save this one. I will run one more time. The Chrome driver successfully loaded and then it is entering the URL, then it is maximized and then now it is entered successfully. Yeah, this is successfully working fine. Okay, so this is our diagram. So I have given the explanation over here. Okay, I'm kindly requesting subscribe this channel. For the next video I am going to explain about the explicit wait. Here I am given all the steps for the understanding the implicit wait. I'm kindly requesting to subscribe this channel. Thank you.